So this is pork spare ribs. It's a 2-pack. Let's go ahead and cut this bad boy open. Start from this end. Just cut all the way straight. So we can pull these guys out. They look nice and meaty. Great marbling. Some paper towels ready and handy. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe some of these juices away so it won't be so slippery. Once your spare ribs are dry, just go ahead and make them into a St. Louis cut. So there's a band of fat that I follow. It works for me. So let's just go ahead and cut right where the band of fat is at. And I just follow that straight line. And at the end here, all we're doing is cutting into cartilage. Cut this in smaller pieces because we are going to smoke the rib tips. So you got yourself a nice straight cut. For this side, as you can see, it's really thin meat. It's flappy. What I try to look for where it starts getting thick. So I feel the bone. Right along the side of the bone, this is where I cut. Nice straight cut. Like I said, we're going to go ahead and smoke this as well. So this is nice cut right here. I do have a sharp corner right here. Want to knock this off. Looks pretty good. And for this side, I have this one little tiny bone right here. I'm going to knock off just to make it nice and square and even. Looks pretty good. Kind of square this up a little bit more right here. Looks pretty good right there to me. Come to this side. We'll knock off the skirt. This is called a skirt steak. Just put your knife right along the bottom of the rib and let the knife do the work. Simple as that. This is very good eats. This is a nice Scooby snack. Just get into the membrane. Get your knife and go right under this membrane right here. Just kind of pry it up. It's pretty simple. Stick your finger, your thumb. Work it all the way over there. Then just pry it up, guys. Sometimes you get all of it, sometimes you don't. It's alright. We can work with it. The first layer is going to be Lucky Shake. We're going to start with the back side. We're going to go ahead and apply. Our second layer is going to be Smoke Bomb, also from Uncle Steve. And this one we're going to go kind of light. Not too heavy. Nice and even. And then we'll finish it off with the Smoke Bomb. We're going to go ahead and let these guys sweat out a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and combine both of these together when we sauce up our ribs. I do have the GRILLS preheating at 275. I'll see you guys outside. We'll come back in 2 hours and we'll check into this, guys. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get the rib tips. Just put them in aluminum foil. We want these to tenderize. I already got the color that I'm looking for. All we're looking for here is to tenderize the rib tips. The rib's not quite done. It's not quite the color that I'm looking for. Simply just wrap it up in foil. Just like this. Stick around, guys. This is what I plan to do. I plan to mix both of these. I tasted this one. It is a bee sting. It's pretty spicy. So all I got here is a funnel, and we're gonna pour this right in here. That's a color that I'm looking for. This is just check for temp for you guys that are keeping score. 190. Squeeze it on there. This one's almost done, guys. Pretty close. Another 10 to 15 minutes. Look at this bad boy. This one's already done. These are the rib tips. The rib tips are done. Next time you see these ribs, they'll be inside. Thank you for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. I'm George. Gracias. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.